ABC juice. A is for apple, B is for beetroot and C is for carrot. This 3-ingredient combined is known as ABC juice. It is full of vitamins, calcium and potassium, that is why it is called energy drink. Now we can have a look in this ABC juice what all vitamins are present. In this juice there are a lot of antioxidants, vitamins like A, B, B1, B2, B6, folic acids, fiber, zinc, copper, vitamin C are present. These vitamins are very much useful for our body. How to make this energy drink? First you want to take this 3 ingredients, that is apple, beetroot and carrot, and we want to put this 3 ingredients to the mixer jar and make it a juice. If the beetroot taste you don't like, you can add little bit of honey or some lemon. Now we can see what all benefits you can get from this juice. If you drink this juice you can see that your skin is glowing and also your intestine function will be better. If the intestine function nicely, most of the diseases will not come like constipation, piles problems, not having vitamins in the body like this. Many problems we can solve by drinking this energy drink. How much quantity of juice we want to take? 125 to 150 milliliters juice only you want to take, and that also only for 1 month. Don't drink this juice in a big amount, because if you drink this juice in a big amount your vitamin A will be increased and that causes kidney stone. This juice should be taken in morning times around 11 o'clock, and this juice should not be filtered, because if we filter the juice the fiber in that juice will be gone. If you want the actual benefit of the juice you do not filter. So please follow the instruction and use this, it will do miracles. Who all cannot drink this juice? For sugar patients, liver problem patients because of fructose, kidney problem patients, IBS people etc. people cannot drink this juice. Be aware of this. Happy life.